Now let's look at the 52. So 52, we need to find the cosine of 11 pi over 6. So find the cosine of 11 pi over 6. So this time, theta is equal to 11 pi over 6. So first, you may divide 11 by 6, and the quotient is 1, and the remainder is 5, right? So that means this guy is equal to 6 pi plus 5 pi over 6. Then you divide each term of the numerator by 6. Then you get pi plus 5 pi over 6. And we know 5 pi over 6 is bigger than half pi, right? You have the 5 pi over 6 bigger than the half pi. So first, you rotate half revolution at here, right? This is pi. And then followed by another angle which is bigger than half pi. So you must arrive at the quadrant 4, right? So right now, your angle is here. Then, in this case, it's very natural to rewrite this theta as the 2 pi minus the reference angle of it, right? So you have the, first let's get the 2 pi minus 11 pi over 6, and this is equal to 12 pi minus 11 pi over 6. So that is equal to pi over 6. So that means 11 pi over 6 is equal to 2 pi minus pi over 6, right? You move this to the right side, you move this pi over 6 to the left side, then theta, this 11 pi over 6 is equal to 2 pi minus pi over 6, right? So now, as a byproduct, we get the reference angle for this theta. So theta prime, then that must be this guy, right? This is the pi over 6. Okay, right now we just care about the size, we don't care about sign. So theta prime, this reference angle is equal to pi over 6. Then we can use the reference angle and also the position of this angle to find the sign and the value of this cosine of 11 pi over 6. So cosine of 11 pi over 6, that should be equal to cosine of pi over 6 up to a sine. Now tell me, what is the sine of the cosine theta if the theta is in the quadrant 4? Positive or negative? Positive, right? In the quadrant 4, we have x bigger than 0. So that means this sine is just positive, right? So cosine of 11 pi over 6 is equal to cosine of pi over 6. What is the cosine of pi over 6? Root of 3 over 2, right? Because pi over 6 is equal to 30 degrees. Any question? I have some idea about how to rewrite this angle as 2 pi or pi minus the reference angle. Now let's look at the 54. Sine of the negative 13 pi over 4. So first, we divide 13 by 4. Then the quotient is equal to 3. And the remainder is equal to 1, right? So now, we may rewrite this arranged angle negative 13 pi over 4 as 3 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Now we divide each term of this expression by 4. Then we get negative 3 times 4 divided by 4, you have 3. And 3 times pi, you get 3 pi. So you get the negative 3 pi. And then 1 times pi divided by 4, pi over 4. So negative pi over 4. Okay, and actually you may rewrite this as negative 2 pi minus pi over 4. Now tell me which quadrant this angle is in. Which quadrant? 3, right? Let's draw the sketch. So we ignore this revolution, right? So actually, we first have the pi clockwise, and then followed by the angle of pi over 4. So actually, it's here, right? So this guy is negative pi minus pi over 4. You add the negative 2 pi to it, then you just rotate clockwise for 1 revolution. Right? So it's in the quadrant, hold on, not the quadrant 3. Should be the quadrant 2, right? Not quadrant 3. Is in the quadrant 2. So theta should be in quadrant 2. Okay. Now, tell me what is the reference angle? What is reference angle? Pi over 4, right? Actually, this is pi and this is pi over 4. So the reference angle is an acute angle formed by the terminal side of this original angle and one of the x-axis. Right? So theta prime is equal to pi over 4. So now, after we find the reference angle and we also know the position of this angle, then we can determine the exact value of this sine of negative 30 pi over 4. So sine of negative 13 pi over 4. So first, let's get the sine of the reference angle. Sine of the pi over 4. Now, tell me what is the sine, S-I-G-N, of the sine of theta? Positive or negative? Positive, right? In the quadrant 2, here y is bigger than 0. And sine of theta is defined as the y-coordinate of the point of intersection. So y bigger than 0, so sine of theta is positive. So you just take the positive sign. Then what is the sine of pi over 4? Root of 2 over 2. Right? Okay, root of 2 over 2. Okay, you just see this time and time again, and then you get used to it, then you memorize it. Any question? Now let's look at the 59. Cosine of negative 240 degrees. So theta is equal to negative 240 degrees, which is greater than negative 360 degrees, but less than the 0 degree, right? We have this guy. Greater than negative 360 degrees, but less than the 0 degree. So we may write this as the half revolution plus some angle. So we write this as the 180 degrees and then minus 60 degrees. So now you can sketch this angle. First, you rotate clockwise by half revolution. Then you have here, right, this is the 180 degree, and then followed by 60 degrees. So the angle is here. Okay. So this guy is negative 240 degrees. Then you know this one